Well, here is another hooping gently on grass. Starts with a big hoop. I guess we have a hula hoop dude. Hooping keeps zombies away. Real witches okay to play hoops. Makes vampires return to OB, Ocean Beach. Ask Ogre for a trick list. So are you Ogre?
Yeah, I guess I'm the Ogre.
So tell us what you do here. I mean, you said you come here once a week?
Yeah, I come once a week and I just share hoops with families and tourists and a few hotties, and sometimes some of the hoop dancers stop by too.
Well, so what? I mean, how many freaking hoops do you have here?
Well, I was going to count them up. I think I have maybe over 70 because there's more in the bag over there.
There's more in the bag, so.
And there's more at my house too.
So you just come out here for fun and to meet people?
Yeah, just for fun. I'd rather be here than at a bar or a golfing or something like that.
Well, what is your name?
My name's Walt.
Walt, okay. Well, Walt, could you show us a few other things you can do?
Okay, well, sometimes I can do a little bit of a hoop juggle, except for when I'm nervous. And I can change direction.
Dang.
And then another thing I can do is I can throw one up and cast it, usually. And then if I drop one, then I come up hoop. Okay, now jump. And I get it to come up to me.
So how long have you been doing this?
Oh, a couple of years.
A couple of years, okay. What inspired you to start doing this?
Well, my daughter started, and she makes me do this.
So now are you better than your daughter now?
No. She's a dancer.
Oh.
A hoop dancer, and I don't dance. My feet are cemented firmly to the ground at all times.
Well, could you show us how to hoop that really long, big one over there?
That little finger.
Holy moly, look how big that thing is.
And then I'm gonna do this a little bit. And then I'll...
Wow. All right.
About it with that one.
So now are you going to take these two little ones and...
Well, I have one other trick we might be able to try.
All right.
I'm not all set up.
Well, look at that. All right, Walt, hey, thanks a lot.
Okay, take care. Spin it around. Okay, I'm going to try this one.
Yeah, if you can do it, I'll be really impressed.
I'm going to use my little finger.
Nice.
Holy moly, you doing it?
It's impressive.
Okay, now do this one. Do this one, and I'll tell you about the 6-year-old.
Rocket girl. Oh my god.
Girl, 6-year-old girl.
Yeah. Try, no try. Hey now.
Very good.
So are you going to want to do that sometime?
Sorry, sir. We're partners. Acrobatics. We are. We're in a circus. Is that for circus arts? Ready? Alright. I'm going to come back. Ready?
That's good. You're welcome.
Have
Have a good one. How's it going?
What's their names?
This one's Kira and this one's Leo.
Holy moly.
Yeah. Oh yeah?
This one's Kira! Hi, baby.
She's a lover. Hopefully you're made her off.